guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be a full face of testing Sugar makeup products. So as you know, Sugar is an Indian makeup brand and I love watching such full face of one brand makeup videos because that way you know which products stand out the most of the brand and what is the aesthetic of the brand. So like Sugar has very colorful packaging and it's very fun, always coming up with new products. I really like them as a brand. So this is the look that I came up with all Sugar products and I am in love with so many things. They are a little pricey. They are not like Wet n Wild affordable. They are around 800 rupees, but the quality of the products is really nice. So most of the products in today's video are new to me, so it is going to be a first impressions for many of these products. So if you want to see how I got this look and which products are good and which you should stay away from, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's start with the eyebrows. They have recently launched a new eyebrow pencil which is called the Arch Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper. So it basically has one spoolie side, one pencil side like usual, and then this third side in which they have a brow powder. Okay, so I've already filled in my brows with the pencil side and it actually takes more time to fill them in because it is such a thin tip, but I'm excited to see how the brow powder looks on top of it. Okay, so this is what it looks like after you apply the brow powder, and I think I like this more because as I told you, if you use just the pencil then it's a little too light for my liking, so I like this. It works well with the pencil and the powder, and I think the powder will help the pencil to stay on longer, so yeah, I like it. Okay, so brows are on and I actually do like this pencil a lot. I mean, I like the powder more, I like the combination. I don't like the pencil separately, but combined they do look really nice, so yeah, happy with this product. Okay, so now let's move on to more fun stuff. So I have the new, I mean it's not new, it's new to me. It's the Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer. That's why I haven't put any moisturizer because it's a 2-in-1 primer and moisturizer. It's new to me, so let's test it out. Looks like this standard primer packaging. It's like a creamy formula. Oh wow, it smells really nice. So this primer actually feels very hydrating. I feel like my skin is moisturized and it smells really nice. It has a nice fresh scent and I think it has made my skin smooth, so probably the foundation will go on top of it very nicely. So I think it's a nice 2-in-1 product. Okay, so the foundation is super exciting. It is called the Drop the Base Serum Foundation. So this one also I think has serum and foundation. So I got the shade Vienna. Oh look, it does look like a serum. Hopefully this shade will match me. So this is a tiny little drop. So it is runny because it's a serum foundation. So I was expecting that. It's super liquidy. I can see it like move in the bottle. Oh my god, if I apply it like this, it will just fall all over my face. So it's starting to drip. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a lot of coverage. Maybe I should just use my fingers to blend it in. Okay, not a fan of this foundation. I feel like it did nothing. It was super duper liquidy, so I don't think it has the coverage that I like to have in my foundation. But my skin does look dewy, so if you're someone who has like really good skin and you like a glowy look, so maybe you can try this. Okay, so moving on to concealer. I feel like the concealer will fix up the coverage situation. So I have the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. I already had this one, but I got this one for highlighting, so this time I got my correct shade. So this is Chocochino and this is Vanilla. This concealer has really good coverage, so you can use it under your eyes or on blemishes. I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend it out. I get so happy when my concealer shade matches my skin tone. I'm just going to use this vanilla shade to highlight my face. This way it brightens your face and like highlights and brings forward your T-zone. Okay, so I'm happy with my complexion, but I think I look extra dewy today. I think it's because of the serum foundation and the primer, so I look extra glowy and dewy. So for powder, they didn't have any loose powder. They have a compact, which is the Dream Cover Mattifying Compact with SPF 15. So this is what it looks like. I got mine in the shade Cappuccino. It looks like this. The mirror is not good at all. Mine came with a bunch of scratches and it's just not clear at all, so I don't think it's of any use. So I'm gonna use this one and set my face. Okay, immediately I'm noticing that it is super duper mattifying. It has mattified my skin so it doesn't look glowy anymore. And it has a little bit of coverage. So if you are into compact powders, then you can give this one a try, but I am into loose powders. I don't like the mirror. Maybe mine is a super bad one, but yeah. So let's move on to our eyes now, and we'll do the rest of the face makeup later. So I didn't buy an entire eyeshadow palette today because I was just not feeling it. So I actually got an eyeshadow crayon pencil. This is the crayon pencil and I got mine in the shade Ruby Rapture. It is like a nice dark pinky shade with a little bit of shimmer. So I think crayon pencils are really good if you're a beginner and you don't have the eyeshadow brushes or you don't have time for it. Then I think this is a really quick and easy way. So it's a very simple one eyeshadow look. I have a bunch of shades in this range, but yeah, it's a nice easy product. And now we are going to go in with the Kajal. So this is the Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. So this is what it looks like. It is like a retractable pencil. My eyes feel watery because I haven't worn a kajal since so long. But yeah, I think it's pretty dark and intense. Okay, so I think this is my new favorite kajal. I think I like this more than my K-Beauty one. It is super duper dark and intense and it goes on very smoothly, you know. I know that if I apply it too much, then it will look even more darker, but yeah, I like it. Okay, so moving on to eyeliner, I have this one which is the Arrested for Overstay waterproof eyeliner in the shade Albi Black. Okay, so it's a felt type eyeliner. I don't have one in my collection right now. I had one years ago. So yeah, it's good to see. I think these ones are really easy to apply. Okay, so eyeliner is on. I tried to do the little foxy or cat-eye trend, which was trending like 5 months ago. But I'm always late on trends, but I tried it and I don't think it suits me. I don't think I did it that well, you know. But yeah, this eyeliner is great. I feel like with felt tip eyeliners, they tend to dry out quickly. So if you're into such felt tip eyeliners, then this is a good one. Easy to use, easy to apply. I like it. Okay, last part of our eyes is the mascara and I got the Lash Mauve Limitless mascara. It's in the shade Black with a Bang. This is what the wand looks like. I don't like this mascara. It has a very thin formula, so it doesn't thicken my lashes. I don't think it has lengthened my lashes, given me any volume, so I don't think it does much. I think the Maybelline Lash Sensational is 10 times better, but yeah, I don't like this. Okay, so let's quickly move back to our face. For bronzer, I have this mini bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper. So this is actually a contour powder. So I like to use this brush to contour my face. So this bronzer is not new to me. I've used it a couple of times on my channel and I love it. It's great for contouring your face. I'm just going to apply it here below my jawline. I don't have a jawline, you know, I don't have a prominent jawline, so if you have one, then I'm super jealous of you. You know those defined jawlines which are like just popping out, it just looks so good. But I have like double, triple chin, so I don't have a jawline. Okay, so bronzer is on. I really love this bronzer. Well, it's a contour powder, but I think it's a must-have in your collection. So yeah, huge thumbs up to this one. Okay, so moving on to blush, this product is new to me. Okay, so this is in the shade Mauve Marvel. This is what it looks like. It's a nice dark pink color. And I think it will match my top today. It's like a nice dark plummy color. Let's try it out. It gives a nice pinky flush to the cheeks. But yeah, it's a nice color to have in my collection. Okay, so moving on to highlighter, I have the Sugar, obviously. I have the, what is this called? Jelly highlighter in the shade Gold Gold. I made an entire review video of this, so I really like it. But to be honest, it has become a little dry now. Like if I tap my finger in it, then I can feel it that it has gone a little hard. And it can look super glittery if you apply too much. Oh, and did I tell you this makes a very nice body highlighter? So it's nice to apply on your shoulder or on your collarbones. It looks really nice. So yeah, can you see it looks very pretty and glowy and healthy. You can apply it on your hands, legs, anywhere. It's a nice highlighter for your face and your body. Okay, so we are almost done. So with this order, I got this little box free of mini liquid lipsticks. So this box comes with 4 little mini liquid lipsticks, which I love mini liquid lipsticks so much. Okay, so I already have some full-sized Sugar liquid lipsticks. This was the first liquid lipstick that I ever bought in my life. I remember I was in college and when I got this 4, I remember I was in my old house and I went full on crazy. So yeah, I love their liquid lipsticks, but I will tell you they are a little drying. If you apply it like an entire layer, then it will be drying. But if you just take it on your finger and then dab it across on your lip, then it will not be super drying. So I'll just swatch these four and then we'll see which will go well with my eye look and my top. I think the last one will go well with my top, so I think that's the one. Oh my god, I'm totally in love with this color. This is my type of a color, so yeah. But yeah, it is a little drying if you apply it like I have, but I think if you apply some moisturizer beforehand, then you are good to go. And this is super pigmented, so it will stay on for a very long time. So yeah, I love this color. You know how much I love such dark shades. And it's going really well with my top, so huge thumbs up to this one. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you liked the look. And hopefully it is helpful to see what products you should get from Sugar. So yeah, as usual, I'm going to add a little star to the products in the description box, which I like and which I recommend. Let me know what you think about Sugar, what you think about their prices or products, which ones are your favorite. I would love to check it out. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up if you're new, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!